Hello, this is how you play the multiplication real estate game. You need a double dice, two different colored pencils, graph paper, and some paper to show your work. First you need to set up your score sheet. I'm going to fold this paper so that it's about a third of the way over. The fold line should be halfway between fold and edge. Then I'm going to write my player 1 name here. I'm going to label the real estate game. I'm going to draw a line on the fold, and on this side of the line it's going to be my equations that I rolled with the dice, and on this side is my workspace where I solve my multiplication problems. My partner Anne also has one, and now we're ready to play. I'm going to go first. I'm going to take my dice. The larger number, the outside dice, is the tens place, and the inside dice is the ones place. So I rolled a 33. So I'm going to write 33 times. I'm going to roll again. This time I got 34. I'm going to use my workspace to solve this problem. Oops. I'm going to use the standard algorithm. I have 1,122. What this is actually, my goal is to get as much real estate on my property as possible. So I'm going to plot my 33 by 34 piece of land by coloring in a rectangle anywhere on here. I'm going to go ahead and say this is 10, 20, 30, 3 by 34. I have to be very careful here because these are really tiny. And now I have 33 times 34 equals 1,122. So that's my first piece of property. Anne is going to go next. She rolls. She got a 43. Times 52. This might be a really good thing because that's a huge number. That's a lot of property. She still has to be able to fit it in my town. If it doesn't fit on the paper, she can't use it. First, she needs to solve it. She has, I can't fit that there. I'm just going to write 22,236 square feet of property. Now Anne's job is to try to figure out where on this paper she can actually fit it. She has a different color. I need a space that's 52. I can do 52 this way. 10, 20, 30. I don't have 43 that way. I don't have 43 this way. I don't have 43 this way. Oh no. Anne has a problem. She can't fit her property anywhere in this town. So Anne's going to have to skip her turn for coloring. She still has her work written down, but she can't plot it. So it comes back to Mrs. McCarthy. She's going to roll again. She has 45 times. Oh, awesome. Look at that. It's a 1 and a 2. I'm excited about the small number because maybe I can actually plot that land. So let me show my work over here. I'm going to go over here. 45 times 12. I have 540. Let's see if I can plot 45 by 12 somewhere on here. I'm green. Oh, I know. I can go 12 this way. I'm just going to go right up next to my property. 10, 12. Now I have to go 45 the other way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Right here, I'm going to be as careful as possible. If you need a ruler to make the lines fit better or nice and straight, go ahead and use a ruler. Or if you want to use a marker instead of colored pencil. So I'm going to write my equation. 45 times 12 equals 540. So Mrs. McCarthy is winning. Let's pretend that Anne goes and she rolls 22 times 31. Let's do that problem for Anne. $682. Let's see if Anne can fit 22 by 31. Oh, look, right over here. She doesn't have to go right up to mine. She can try to screw me up and plot it a little bit in the middle of nowhere. Here's 20, 10, 20, 22 by 31. Oh, this makes it harder. I have 7, 17, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Go all the way to the edge of the paper. And that's Anne's. 22 by 31 equals 682. Anne and I are going to continue to play until there's no possible way that we could have a 2-digit by 2-digit number anywhere left on our board. Whoever has the most real estate at the end of the game wins. That means I'll have to add up my total areas and find my real estate ownership, and then Anne's going to have to add up all of her total areas, and then we'll compare and see who is the best realtor in town. Thank you. Enjoy the game.